Hey guys, as you're watching this video, our vision is to reach 500,000 subscribers. Hit the subscribe button, join membership to support our channel, join Patreon and PayPal. All the links are in the description. Do that to stand with us for this beautiful cause of One Africa right now. We do not forget to sign up for the petition. The link is down below. Appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Excellence.
The Sahel Passport refers to the biometric passport introduced by the Alliance of Sahel States, AES, which includes Burkina Faso, Mali and Niger. This initiative signifies a move towards greater regional autonomy following these countries' decision to leave the Economic Community of West African States, ECOWAS. The AES passport was first issued on January 29, 2025, with the President of Burkina Faso, Captain Ibrahim Traoré, being among the first to receive it. This passport does not bear the ECOWAS logo, symbolizing a shift from previous regional affiliations to a new form of cooperation among these three nations. The introduction of this common passport is part of broader efforts to enhance unity, facilitate the free movement of people and goods between these countries, and assert sovereignty in the region. This development has been highlighted in various posts on social media platforms, indicating public interest and support for this regional integration move. However, as with any new policy or initiative, the long-term implications, effectiveness, and acceptance by both the populace and international bodies remain to be seen. The Alliance of Sahel States, AES, is a political and military alliance formed by Burkina Faso, Mali and Niger in response to regional security, challenges and a desire for greater sovereignty. Here are some key points about the AES. Formation. The alliance was officially established with the signing of the Liptako-Gourma Charter in September 2023. This charter aims to enhance cooperation among the three countries, particularly in defense and security matters. Objectives. Security. A primary goal is to combat terrorism and insurgency in the Sahel region, which has been plagued by violence from groups like Al-Qaeda and ISIS affiliates. Sovereignty. There's an emphasis on asserting independence from external influences, including those from former colonial powers and international organizations like ECOWAS, Economic Community of West African States. Recent developments. ECOWAS withdrawal. All three countries decided to exit ECOWAS in early 2024, citing dissatisfaction with how the regional bloc handled their internal political transitions, military coups in each country, and the lack of support against jihadist threats. Sahel Passport. In a move to strengthen regional unity and identity, the AES introduced a common passport in January 2025, which does not bear the ECOWAS logo, symbolizing their new path. Global implications. The formation and actions of the AES have caused ripples in African and global geopolitics, prompting discussions on regional security, the influence of foreign powers in Africa, and the future of regional integration in West Africa. Challenges. The alliance faces significant challenges, including ongoing insurgencies, economic issues, and the need to build effective governance structures. There's also the question of how this new bloc will interact with neighboring countries and international partners. Burkina Faso, Mali, and Niger have indeed taken a significant step towards regional integration by announcing the launch of a common passport for the Alliance of Sahel States, AES. This initiative was formalized with the issuance of the first passports in January 2025, post their exit from the Economic Community of West African States, ECOWAS. Here are some key points regarding this development. Purpose. The introduction of the AES passport aims to facilitate free movement among the citizens of these three countries, enhance regional identity, and promote economic integration amidst the backdrop of security challenges. Symbolism. The new passport does not feature the ECOWAS logo, which is symbolic of their departure from that regional bloc and their commitment to a new form of regional cooperation. Security context. The move is also seen as a strategy to bolster cooperation in combating terrorism and insurgency in the Sahel region, where these three countries have been significantly affected. Political implications. This initiative reflects a broader political realignment in West Africa, where these countries are seeking greater autonomy and less external influence in their governance structures. economic and social impact by simplifying travel and potentially trade. Among the three countries, the passport could lead to increased economic activity and social interactions, although the real impact will depend on how well the initiative is implemented and accepted by the populace. Challenges. Integrating such a system involves logistical, administrative and acceptance challenges. There's also the question of international recognition of this new passport outside the AES. This development is part of a broader narrative of shifting alliances and regional identities in Africa, particularly in the Sahel, where security, sovereignty, and economic development are pressing issues.
Une autre facette de l'information au Burkina Faso.
This is the journey to One Africa.